What's up YouTube? Jason Wardrop here, and today I want to walk you through some of the best Facebook ads for real estate agents. So if you're a real estate agent looking to get into Facebook advertising, or if you run a marketing agency or a consulting group or whatever, and you want to kind of figure out some of the ads that are really working, well, I'm going to walk you through some of the ads that have been working amazingly well. And if you guys want these exact ads, like the copy and paste text and all that stuff, just comment down below. So first, like this video, comment down below, and make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you guys do all those things, we'll find a way to get this this copy to you guys. All right, so anyway, I just want to walk through step by step. I'm going to walk through 4 ads. So you can see up here at the top, 1 2 3 4. This last one is probably our best converter, so make sure you stick around to be able to check that one out here. All right, so first let's just walk through this ad right here. All right, so this is for some seller leads. And all ads are kind of structured the same way, where first you want to go through and you want to call out your audience. You want to go pique their interest, give them a call to action, and maybe like add a little bit more value to go through and pull them in, right? So right here you can see, hey, your city, your county homeowner. So Dallas homeowners, Orlando homeowners, Phoenix homeowners. So you're calling out that person specifically. Now, I'm not going to get into all the targeting, all that stuff in the back in the ads manager in this video. I've got a number of videos on that, and I'll try to link some of those videos here. So if you guys are curious on that, I can make sure I link those videos. But you can go and just target inside of Facebook Ads Manager only people that, let's say, live in Dallas that own a home. Okay, so there's some really cool things you're doing. But then when you go through and say, hey, Dallas homeowners, you're calling out to them directly. So they're like, oh, hey, that's me. I wonder what this is. All right, so it kind of piques their curiosity. And then it says right here, do you want to increase the value of your home? Okay, so that kind of like starts that engaging question, which what homeowner would not want to increase the value of your home? Okay, whether they're looking to sell or not looking to sell, like they want to go through and increase the value of their home, right? So it says, hey, get my tips here, which takes them out to a landing page that we created inside of Arsenal MKG. So if you guys aren't sure how to go through and create landing pages, I'll also link a video to a training which we go through and we walk you through all of that. All right, but coming back here, so you can say I have compiled a free report of the 7 simple hacks I tell my clients to raise the value of their home before selling. And guys, just really quick, this could be 7 simple hacks, could be 4, it could be 3, it could be 5, it could be whatever number. And a lot of times people are like, well, Jason, do you have like a PDF to the 7 simple hacks? Well, guess what? It's a little bit different for every single area, every single community. So I do not have one, but that's kind of the idea, the concept that you want to go after, right? So then you go, if you finish off by saying, hey, get my tips here with another link to the landing page, thanks, your name, to kind of personalize it. So your name's up here at the top, your profile picture, your name's down here. And then you can have an image of a home in your community, because homes in, let's say, New Hampshire, they're gonna look different than homes in Phoenix or San Diego, or so you want to make sure the home matches. And one really quick update, this you can see we did March 28th of 2017. Moving forward, you don't want to have this text here. It actually Facebook's been really tightening up their whole the way the ads are structured. So lots of times it can actually get disapproved if you got too much text, or if you're going through and putting this. So just put a picture of a home right here. And you don't have to go create this inside of Facebook Ads Manager. You could just create this as a post on your Facebook page and then go from there, right? Okay, so that was the first one. That was the seller leads. Okay, so number 2 right here. And guys, just remember, if you guys want all this text, if you're like, man, I don't want to like pause the video and type it all, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below, and I'll make sure that you guys get this copy and paste text to be able to help you with your Facebook advertising. All right, so this one is for buyer leads if you don't have a listing. All right, so buyer leads if you don't have a listing. So once again, attention, Dallas, Orlando, Nebraska, or Omaha, like you want to go through and hit the city. Do you know anyone looking to buy a home? And what I like to do a lot of times is, are you or anyone you know looking to buy a home? Because right here, that could be improved on this text right here, because it says, do you know anyone looking to buy a home? But what if they are, right? You want to be able to connect and talk with them as well. So you say follow here. Once again, takes them out to a landing page where they can go put in their name, email, phone. It says, hey, we've compiled a free report of homes for sale under 300,000, or whatever range you're looking for. So like if you like to stick in the $500,000 range, $1 million range, whatever range it is, and then say some of these homes may even qualify for special financing programs, right? Now obviously that's based on your area, based on the financing programs, based on all that stuff, but this is the general layout that I kind of want to go through and break down for you all. And as far as a free report of homes for sale under 300,000, guys, once again, it's going to be different for every community. And so with that, what you want to do is go and maybe you've got a website where you're tied into the MLS and you'll be able to give that free report, or you've got a little sales deck of just different homes that are in that area. So there's a number of ways to go through and do that, and I cover that actually in another video. We're not going to dive into that in this one here. We're just talking about the Facebook ads, right? Okay, so follow here, thanks your name. And then I like to, so like they're looking for a list of homes for sale under 300,000, right? So I like to go through, grab a few different homes from that area. Okay, so they're matching that area right there. And obviously guys, one thing I could improve here is another thing. These homes are probably not under 300,000, right? So don't go and get homes that are over 300,000. Like make sure it matches what you're going for right there. Okay, so then the open house right here. All right, this is, and guys, make sure you guys stick around because the last one is actually the top converter. We've been seeing leads on average for $1 to $3 per lead with this last ad I'm going to be showing you, right? Okay, so this one's open house, right? This one's been working amazingly well as well. So if you're going to say, let's say you're going to do an open house on Saturday or Sunday, you might want to start running this on like a Monday or Tuesday to start building that interest and letting people know. So not in place of putting signs out on the road in front of the house, but also this is another thing you can add on to get more people in, because the only people that are going to see those signs are people driving by, right? Well, what if someone doesn't drive by that week or during that time or whatever? Well, you still want to be able to go through and get these people attention. So you say, hey, open house this Friday or whatever day, have the address, get the video walkthrough and e-brochure. If you don't have a video walkthrough, once again guys, it's not like hardcore you have to have a video walkthrough. It's basically whatever content material you have to give that person, because they don't know what house you're talking about. They might want to get a general idea of what the home is, right? So then we have a link out here to the landing page. Once again, get their name, email, phone, and then coming back here, we want to give them some features, right? Like I'm not going to go to an open house unless I know it's matching some of the stuff that I want, like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, if it's got a backyard or a pool, or how many car garages. Like name some of the things that are going to be like the sexier items that people are going to be looking for. Stainless steel appliances, vaulted ceilings, all of that different information there. Okay, and then it says once again call to action down here. So I always like to put 2 call to actions, as you guys can see, okay, because it's helpful, because sometimes people just want to get to the point and just like, okay, I want that. But then other people, they need to read a little bit more, and so you want to offer that as well. And then this, obviously, this is going to be a picture of the home that you're holding the open house for, right? Okay, guys, so you guys ready for the last best converting ad that we have that I have seen amazing results with? Okay, here it is. This is for a listing, all right? So if you have a listing, I know not everyone does, but this works amazingly well. If you don't have a listing, but you have someone in your office that has a listing and they let you use it, go right ahead, right? But make sure you get permission. It's not probably good to go market other people's listings without them knowing. Just make sure you give them the heads up, and more than likely, like they're gonna say go for it, right? If you're gonna put money towards advertising, go market their listing, they're gonna be all about that. Okay, so right here, this one, it says pre-listed, and it could be a number of different things. It doesn't have to be pre-listed, but it could see like new listing out, or I don't know, you just got to get creative here, right? So this one says see it before it hits the market, 3 beds. I would normally put 2 bathrooms or ever how many beds and bath it is, just so people can know right out of the gate. And then our call to action is go here to get the price, location, plus more pictures. So we want to give them a little tease with about 10 to 12 images down here of the home. But if they want to go through and see more, we want to say, hey, you got to opt in to see more if you want to see like all 30 or 40 or 20 or however many you have. And then also you want to hold back the price and the location, because that is kind of like something that piques their interest enough to go through. So anyway, we've got right here 3-bedroom home in Granville. I think this is in Michigan. So main level. So then the next 2 paragraphs is basically just talking about the features and the value, kind of like on this open house campaign right here. Okay, so we're just going through. Main level has a fantastic living room with large windows. And guys, this is like not a copy and paste thing right here. This is obviously based off of whatever home you're doing. Okay, so go here for price, address, plus more pictures. They go through, because like they might want to come in here and they're like, okay, I want to see all these different pictures of the home. And guys, little pro tip, someone did a really good job here of going through and taking the pictures. if you're not good at taking pictures or you can't get the lighting right, guys, that's what really sells homes. Okay, so if you need to go spend an extra $100 to make 10 grand when you sell the home, do it. Okay, like go spend the money to get the right pictures, because no low blow on anyone, but I've seen some bad pictures from you guys, right? Some bad pictures, and if you're posting bad pictures, it's not going to pique anyone's interest, right? Okay, so anyway, we've got the 2 call to actions here, and this one right here, like I mentioned, is getting leads for about $1 to $3 per lead. It's getting tons of engagement. And real quick, guys, I call a lead someone's name, phone number, and email address. Okay, not a like or comment on the post. Obviously, you can go through and work with those people, but a name, phone number, and email address, so we can go through and follow up with them. All right, so these ones are all for ads going to a landing page, which, if you guys remember, we use the website conversions objective in the ads manager. But these also work amazingly well if you're going to use Facebook lead forms. Okay, and I'm going to have another video later this week on Facebook lead forms, because I know a number of you guys have been asking about that. And Arsenal actually goes through and integrates 100% with Facebook lead forms, which is awesome, because back in the day, you had, like, when you generate a lead from a lead form, they would just, it would go into a CSV file in the ads manager. You had to download it, import it to your CRM, and then go through, start the follow-up, where we just made it all happen simultaneously. So it syncs into the Arsenal CRM. You had the automated follow-up taking place, and it's all a beautiful thing. All right, so anyway, guys, like I mentioned before, if you guys want all of these ad copies and see like the structure and all that stuff, one, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, we try to launch a new video every single day on how to generate leads, make more money, and grow your business, whether you're in real estate, mortgage, or you're a marketing agency or a consulting group. All right, so we kind of hit all the different topics of how to go through and grow your business. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below, and then we'll go through and we'll send out a link to be able to go through and get all of this ad copy for you all. All right, so anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Hopefully this was helpful one way or another. And with that said, guys, thanks so much. And also, if you guys want to see a video, a training to like how to go through and actually run the ads and the concept of landing pages and how we're going through and really scaling this up, I'm gonna drop a link down in the comment section below as well, and it's gonna take you to a 100% free training. We'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how to set all of this up. All right, so anyway, guys, be on the lookout for that link down in the training section. And with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you all tomorrow.